stretching across the arid plains of southern Peru. Vast geoglyphs etched into the desert floor form one of the most enigmatic canvases on Earth. The Nazca Lines, discovered from the air in the 1920s, these colossal figures, some spanning over 1,200 feet, depict hummingbirds, monkeys, spiders, and complex geometric patterns, carved into the sun-baked ground by the Nazca culture over 1,500 years ago. Their scale is so massive that their full forms are only visible from above, a vantage point the Nazca people were never known to access. Archaeologists believe the lines were created by removing the reddish pebbles covering the desert, revealing the lighter soil beneath. Despite centuries of wind and erosion, the dry, windless climate of the Pampa has preserved them in remarkable condition. But their purpose remains elusive. Some scholars suggest the lines align with celestial events or functioned as a vast astronomical calendar. Others propose ceremonial walkways used in ritual processions. Then there are those who point to the aerial visibility as evidence of a more perplexing theory, that the Nazca may have been attempting to communicate with or emulate beings capable of flight. Despite decades of research, the true intention behind these earthbound artworks remains out of reach. Were they messages to the gods, markers for the stars, or something else entirely? As the sun casts long shadows across the desert at dusk, the lines whisper the same silent question to every onlooker: who were they meant for, and why are they still here?